Just a super quick recap. This isn't, I'm going to show you how to do something. This is telling you what you have to do. This is important. It's not urgent. It's just very important. I would say it's critically important. If you've spent money on your website and your hosting, why wouldn't you want to know where the traffic is coming from to your website? And most importantly, what is converting into business? What is converting into the form being completed, the telephone ringing, or the purchases if it's an e-commerce website? Why wouldn't you want to know where all of your traffic is coming from and what is converting? It's all about the source. It's all about the source. What source produces the traffic? So this isn't I'm not telling you how to do it. I'm telling you this is a question. There are a series of questions. But essentially, what's the source of my traffic? And if you start questioning it, well, what am I spending my money on to get traffic? Are you spending it on Google ads? Are you spending it on SEO? Are you spending it on Facebook ads, social media ads? Are you advertising in a magazine? If you are, you probably need to go and get your head examined because the likelihood of you getting serious traffic that converts to your website from a traditional printed magazine is less than 5%. It's not even 5%. It's ridiculously low. But you could track that source. You could track that external source bringing traffic in if you do it right. But essentially, if you're not doing that, if you're not looking at any analytics at all, geez, pack up and go home.